That's the 1217 Leeds Wigan, heading off. Now then, I just thought I'd nip over to Batley, because I've been meaning to come here for a while to see what's going on. So just a short video at the moment, just to see what exactly they're doing. And as you can see, there's a lot of activity going on around the upside of the railway. It's just changed cameras. So there's porter cabins and all sorts everywhere, and a lot of diggers and such like. And there's some bits of track up there beyond the bridge. So we'll have a look there and get the next train back to Cottingley, hopefully in about 40 minutes or so. One thing I have just been told is that this subway is going to be filled in, which is a shame really, but obviously PC rules and step-free access and all that. So yeah, I've got the bike with me. So all this frontier doesn't exist anymore now, but yeah, so this is a sort of before and after. It is like, I drag it up the steps. Doable, easier without a camera in your hand, on my phone. Right, there's a bike park there. So have a little look up this way towards Lady Anne Crossing and then come back. The sun's making it a bit difficult to see, but this is the view at the moment today, last day of January 2023. So I've got the opposite side. So yeah, there's some bits of track up there on the old alignment of the Great Northern Line. You can see St Thomas's Church up there. So whether they're putting a third track in and that, I don't know, but it'd be great if they did. This wall here has been here since the earliest days of steam, I think, just about, because it used to support a signal box that spanned the Great Northern tracks. Where those things are curving round to the right, that is where the Great Northern Line used to go to Tingley and Woodkirk. And then more straight ahead and over to the left was the flyover towards Bradford. Just come along Primrose Hill, just there, and this is the original flyover line for the Great Northern, and there's been some massive holes being drilled in the side. Oh, can we get through? I thought it said road closed there, we couldn't get through, but anyway, I'll grab the bike. I've just come across, and you can see here where it's been altered and possibly a bridge put across. I've been invited into the signal box just to check it before it finally goes. I remember coming here when I was a little kid. I did. Yeah, a guy called Joss Craven, I think, as well, used to be working. I think so, yeah. Oh, I've ordered another a chair like that off Amazon. Like I needed one, yeah. So this didn't have anything to do with the Great Northern Line, though, did it? Above? No. No, it just. I think it was just a gate box, wasn't it, for the crossing?
Yeah, and then when they closed
Batley boxes all down. Yeah, it were upgraded, wasn't it?
It were upgraded.
So, yeah.
Upgraded.
This is a Wigan Leeds service. Right, we've just used Lady Anne Crossing now for the last time ever, I think, because obviously I used to use it quite regular when Mother lived up at Glen Avenue, but now that's over 2 years since. We've just used it now just to check it and check the signal box. Thank you very much to the signalman, that was brilliant. So let's get back to Batley train station now and get the train home to Cottingley. Right, back on Batley train station now, waiting for the train to Cottingley and home. So yes, I didn't plan on doing a video today, but seeing as this opportunity presented itself, we thought we would do. So let's just wait now for the train to Cottingley. Okay. Here's the upstopping service for Huddersfield. coming through now from Liverpool to Hull. This has just overtaken the local one at Dewsbury. Right, this is our next train back home now. Leeds service. This is the current station, which obviously we'll have to have another look at again before it's altered. Not very long to go now, of course. Be great if they build a decent car park here, it will be. Followed the road from there, and we've walked around quite a lot here in the past, up there and on the other side. Coming to the White Rose station now, just after this next footbridge. This is where the White Rose station should be. And keep cutting them. Anyway, this is where it's going to be now. You can see the platforms are starting to take shape. There's a lot of work going on here now. Because obviously this 9-day blockade, they'll be doing work on that as well. Back at Cottingley now, so we'll just head back and we'll let this train play out. Right, so cue music, see you next video, bye for now.